In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your location on Square Appointments. Navigating the digital world of business management can sometimes feel like you're trying to decode a complex puzzle. One of the minor yet significant pieces of this puzzle involves privacy settings, such as the option to hide your location on Square Appointments. This feature might seem straightforward, but ensuring privacy while maintaining the functionality of your services requires a bit of know-how. Whether you're a seasoned professional familiar with the Square interface or a newcomer eager to streamline your service, this tutorial is crafted to guide you through each step with ease and clarity. Let's start from the beginning. The first action you need to take is to navigate to the Square homepage. This is where all your business management tools reside, neatly organized and readily accessible. Square's homepage acts as the gateway to an array of features designed to power your entire business, from sales to appointments. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will direct you to the login page, a universal step across most online services that requires your credentials to proceed. Here you'll enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your Square account to avoid any login issues. Following that, you're prompted to type in your password. Remember, your password is the key to your business's digital realm. It's crucial to keep it secure and never share it with others. After you've successfully signed in, you're greeted by the Square dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your control room, where you have an overview of every aspect of your business at a glance. It's designed to give you quick access to all your tools and settings. The next step involves accessing your account settings. To do this, click on your store name, which you'll find at the top right corner of the dashboard. This area acts as a personal menu, linking you to various account and store options. Within this menu is the account settings option. Selecting this will take you to a new page where you can manage your personal information, security settings, and more. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section, as it contains critical settings that affect how you interact with your customers and manage your business. Now, let's dive deeper. Click on the Payments tab within your account settings. This section deals with how you receive payments, issue refunds, and, relevant to our tutorial, manage receipts. Receipts are an essential part of any transaction, providing your customers with proof of purchase and detailed information about the service or product provided. Within the Payments section, find and click on Receipts. This area lets you customize how your receipts are generated and what information they contain. And here lies the feature we've been aiming for, the option to hide your location on receipts. By toggling this setting off, you ensure that your business location isn't disclosed on the receipts issued to your customers. This might be particularly useful for home-based businesses, mobile services, or any scenario where revealing your location might not be necessary or preferred. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted your privacy settings to hide your location on Square Appointments. It's a simple process, but it underscores the importance of being aware of your digital footprint and how it intersects with customer interaction and privacy. Remember, the digital tools at your disposal are designed to be customized. Take the time to explore them, understand the settings available to you, and tailor your online presence to best suit your business needs and values. Whether it's for privacy concerns, aesthetic reasons, or improving user experience, each setting you adjust is a step towards optimizing how your business operates online. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Ensuring privacy while providing top-notch services is key in today's digital age. And with tools like Square, you're well equipped to manage every aspect of your business securely and efficiently. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher, and keep exploring the many features your Square dashboard offers.